Hey y'all, welcome to Dom Budgets. Today I'm going to be doing a cash stuffing and sticking funds video. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my videos on my channel. I really appreciate the support. And we're just going to jump right into it. So first I'm going to start off with my wallet. I got this wallet off of Amazon. And these envelopes I've got from Etsy.com. I'll link the link in below. So I'm just gonna fix this real quick. And with this, I made my own cash stuffing sheet and cash breakdown sheet, just so it can be to what I needed, you know. This is my bills. I already took that out. So we're just going to focus on cash stuffing and sticking funds. So starting with my wallet, which is cash envelopes. I already did personal. That's why there's a check right there. So that is out the way. When I was out after work, I went ahead and got my money out of my account and then did a little bit of spending. So that's taken care of already. Groceries is going to get 80 today. So groceries is going to get 420s. That's 20, 40, 60, 80. Who else is ready for fall, y'all? I'm so ready. Like, my birthday's in October, but that's besides the point. I'm just ready for the smells, the weather, clothing, all that good stuff. Okay, for gas, it's going to get 70, so that's 110 and 320s. It's 110, 1, 2, 3, so that's 70. I see that gas is going down a little bit. Hopefully it keeps going down, y'all. I'm hoping and praying, and also for groceries too. Okay, Tithes is getting 50, so that's 110 and 220s. Ooh. So that's 50. Going out is getting 0. Nails is getting 60. I don't have it wrote down here, but I know it's $60. Yeah. Yeah, 60. Okay. Oh, I can't believe I forgot that. Okay, well, that'll get 320s. So that's 60. I was going to skip out on doing my nails for a while, but then I remembered, like, I'm doing videos, so gotta keep my hands looking good. Hair is getting nothing. So that is it for my personal wallet. But yeah, if y'all are ready for fall, give this video a thumbs up. I am a fall person for sure. So next, we're going to do sinking funds. This is just credit cards right here. Okay, emergency funds, as y'all see, is at 0, back down to 0, unfortunately. But we're going to rebuild that. So today is the 11th, and it is getting 50 today. Starting all over, y'all. And that is getting 2 5s and 2 20s. So that's 1, 2. That's 50, 20, 40, 45, 50. Well, I don't need to fold this, of course. Unfortunately, I won't be putting much into this wallet, this paycheck. Car maintenance has 180, and it's getting just $10 today. Hey, something's better than nothing, y'all. So it's getting 110. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 91. I'm gonna keep this dollar in here. And that is, I think that is it for this wallet. Yes, y'all, as y'all can see, pretty much have to start over. So that is it for this wallet. This is going to be a pretty short video. And last but not least, taxes. Taxes is getting $400 today. So that's 20, 40, 60, 80. 1, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60, 83, 20, 40, 60, 84. As y'all can see, this is a very short cash stuffing seeking funds video. I'm trying to get my taxes out the way, y'all. I'm over it. I just want to pay it off and be done with it. That way I can start really saving for my other sinking funds again. So that's 1601. So I decided with this, every time I reach $1,000, I'm just going to deposit it and apply it to my account instead of keeping all that money. And I just have $1 left, and this is from my rollover money. Like, y'all have a $2 bill. I think that this is the first time I've ever had a $2 bill. It's pretty interesting. And I'm going to add this to my taxes too as well. That's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So let me add that real quick. Unfortunately, I didn't have a lot of rollover money. So that's 7. Can y'all tell that's a 7? I hope so. All right, so as y'all can see, this is a very short video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I really appreciate all the support. And I hope to see y'all guys in my next one. Bye.